Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issues when you have a stable internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or any other browser along with a Google Play Store on your Google Pixel 7. And to fix this, first let's try getting the Google Chrome to work. So here's our website, and as you can see, it doesn't work. Now let's try Google Play Store. And here let's get this app, but something is wrong. And now to fix this problem, we'll need to open up our settings, go to the system, navigate to date and time, and set time automatically. Right now, if we go back to the browser and reload the page, it should work properly. Also, Google Play Store will work fine. Try again. Here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.